This is Ryan Fisher, continuing with the evaluation of the d2l learning management software by going over how to create a module. As you can see, we're currently on our course page, and up in our top menu bar we'll see content. We'll go ahead and click on that. We'll open up a new page, and over on the left side here, right below table of contents, you'll see a text box that says add a module, which if we click, we can go ahead and begin to edit this text box, which we'll just call week 1, as we'll just pretend this is our week 1 module that we're making. As you'll see, the center of our screen has changed slightly, and we can begin to edit the module that we're trying to create. We can start by editing any start dates and times that we might have. If this is a module that you want to open up and only be open during a certain span of time, you're going to want to make sure that you have your start dates and end dates set up here. If you want to have specific release conditions for your module, say if you want students to, if we go ahead and click this, maybe they have to submit something to Dropbox, or they have to reach a certain score on a quiz in order for the module to open, if they have to complete surveys. There's a lot of different conditions you can put in place in order for modules to open up for your students. If we go down here where it says, we'll go ahead and cancel that so that goes away. If we go ahead and click on the blue button here that says new, you can see we can go ahead and add a bunch of things to our modules. So for example, we have audio files, video files, Dropbox, discussions, quizzes, surveys. We have a lot of options here. So just as an example, I'll click files, go to my computer, and I'll upload a file that I have right here. I'll go ahead and click add, and I'll create a new file, and that's a test right there. And see, with this file in place, I can go ahead and I can click add description, and from here I can edit my module, put in directions for my students, maybe write in what's expected of them to do for this week. It's just general information text box. And if we go ahead and click the arrow next to our document, we can see we have a lot of options in here, such as being able to change our file, being able to download it. And if we hit view topic, we would actually open that file up so we can see what it looks like. We could also add submodules to our main module. So in the case of this, say this is an actual test document, maybe after the test document we want to have a module added here. We'll call this discussion, and from here we want to add in a new discussion, and we can create that in that way, and we can just essentially add in an additional assignment that is based around the main assignment that we've added to our main module. So as you can see, a lot of this is pretty intuitive and straightforward. It's not overly difficult. It's really only limited to what you yourself want to do with your class.